Hey guys, it's Chris. This week we are going to still be having our normal video on Sunday, but I wanted to jump on here really quickly and make sure that you're ready for National Go RVing Day. What is National Go RVing Day? It's a day that's set up in the middle of National Camping Month, which is this month, June. And it's a day to celebrate the joys of the RVing lifestyle and to share the many benefits of this lifestyle with maybe other people. And we do that by getting out, celebrating, going to our favorite location over the weekend. Maybe your favorite location's halfway across the country, that's fine. In your case, you may want to do your favorite local location or destination, but it's a way to celebrate that. So again, it's June 10th this year, which is this Saturday, and we just want to encourage everybody to get out this weekend, enjoy. Maybe it's your first trip of the year, maybe you've already gone on a few, but again, this is just a great way this weekend to celebrate nationally. This isn't just an RVI thing. This is a national campaign that's celebrated and facilitated by a lot of different companies. So we just want to encourage you, get out this weekend, enjoy. If you're not ready for National Go RVing Day, make sure you jump on our website, rvibrake.com. Make sure you have your braking system, your accessories, everything that you'll need to get going. Again, maybe it's the start of the season for you. Get out your RVI equipment, make sure it's all in good working order. Contact our customer service team if needed. But again, we can't wait to see you guys out on the road. If you do get out on the road, make sure to tag us. You can use the hashtag National Go RVing Day, and you can also post on our social media pages. We're on Facebook and Instagram. And then we would love to see videos as well. If you want to shoot us over some videos to our email, contact@rvibrake.com. We would love if we get enough submissions to be able to kind of put together a little compilation. So feel free to send any videos or photos to us via that email address, and you may see that here on this YouTube channel eventually. But again, guys, celebrate National Go RVing Day this Saturday, June 10th. Get out there, have some fun. Happy RVing.